This is Aiden Kurowski from the Milwaukee Sullivan National Weather Service, and we are going to take a look at the weather heading into this weekend, particularly Friday night into Saturday morning. First, it is worth noting we will see chances for some rainfall overnight into Friday morning, which could bring up to a quarter inch of rain into some areas around southern Wisconsin. However, the main concern for the next few days will be Friday night into Saturday morning, with chances for thunderstorms and showers that may train over much of southern Wisconsin. Widespread amounts of 1 to 2 inches is forecast, with higher amounts possible if some areas see localized heavier downpours. Due to this threat for heavier rainfall, a flash flood watch is in effect from 7 p.m. Friday to 1 p.m. Saturday. More is in the forecast beginning Sunday and continuing into early next week, and we will dig a bit deeper in these next few slides. So as you can see here, we do have a marginal risk for severe weather in southern Wisconsin that will accompany the heavy rain expected Friday evening and overnight. There are slim chances for some gusty winds, but we will not really see any concerns for hail or tornadoes. However, the main concern will continue to be the heavy rain. Here we see the moderate risk for excessive rainfall in much of southern Wisconsin as issued by the Weather Prediction Center, which means a 20 to 50% chance of rain exceeding flash flood levels. So with rivers as high as they are and the ground as wet as it is, our attention will primarily be on the impacts from the heavy rain expected Friday night. The additional 1 to 2 inches of rain expected, plus the potential for localized areas that receive up to 3 inches, causes concerns throughout the region for flooding. Here's a look at the current conditions of the rivers around the region, and as we can see, the Rock, Fox, Sugar, and Pecatonica rivers all have areas in flood stage, and with these very same regions expected to be the focus of the rainfall, we should expect potential for considerable rises in river levels. These rivers are also expected to remain a concern well past this weekend, as we look to be quite a bit wet for at least the next week. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you all have a wonderful weekend.